Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Lucidchart, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Lucidchart, start by closing the application if it is currently open. Locate the Start menu on your computer. Click on the Start menu to open it. Type Control Panel into the search bar and hit Enter. In the Control Panel, look for Programs and click on it. Next, click on Programs and Features. You will see a list of installed programs on your computer. Scroll through the list to find Lucidchart. Once you locate Lucidchart, click on it to select it. Now, click on the Uninstall button located at the top of the window. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. If prompted, confirm that you wish to uninstall Lucidchart. Wait for the uninstallation to finish. After the process is complete, you may restart your computer to finalize changes. To ensure all components are removed, check the Program Files folder. Navigate to C:\program files and look for any remaining Lucidchart files. If you find any, delete them manually. For Mac users, click on the Finder icon on the dock. In the Finder, open the Applications folder. Locate the Lucidchart application in the Applications list. Drag the Lucidchart icon to the trash. To fully uninstall, right-click on the trash icon and select Empty Trash. You may also want to check for residual files in the Library folder. Open Finder, hold the Option key, and click on Go in the menu bar. Select Library from the drop-down menu. Search for any Lucidchart folders in the Application Support and Preferences folders. If any are found, delete them to remove all traces of the application. After completing these steps, Lucidchart should be successfully uninstalled from your system. If you encounter any issues during the process, consult your computer's help documentation for further assistance. Now, you can proceed with installing an alternative if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.